Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage if it's not sending. Alright, so first up, you need to go ahead and check your network. You could go ahead over to your control center, try to connect to a different Wi-Fi, or if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, at least try to use your mobile data, okay, or cellular data. Now, if internet is not the case, you would need to verify the recipient's info or number. So when you go ahead and go to your messages right here, tap on the contact, and as you can see here, if it's blue, well, that means iMessage. If it's green, well, that means it's only SMS, and you'll need to load up for you to be able to send a text for regular SMS. Again, blue is iMessage. You verified it, internet is good, and it still won't send any message. So what do we do next? Close everything right here, and then go ahead over to settings. Just like so. Gotta find all the way down. We have apps. So just tap on apps. Scroll down, find messages right here. Tap on it. Now disable iMessage for now. Leave it for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, re-enable it and wait for it to activate. Alright, once activated, go ahead and go back to settings right here. Use the search bar and type down date. Tap on date and time. And just make sure that this one is set automatically. Okay? And once that's done, test it out. If that still won't work, go ahead and verify that your phone number right here under apps. Messages again. Under send and receive, again, verify that your phone number, your email, or iCloud is set up correctly right here. Alright, just tap on send and receive and set it up manually. And that is how you fix iMessage if it's not sending. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.